Do you want to know about Nintendo server maintenance? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways to check any related information about Nintendo server maintenance. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Visit the network status page. To check any information regarding Nintendo's server maintenance, go to the Nintendo network status page. Check for any notices related to Nintendo account maintenance or outages. You can check the online service status, maintenance information, and the future maintenance schedule from there. If there are no known service disruptions listed on the network status page, it is likely that the issue is due to high server traffic. Wait a while and try accessing Nintendo services again later. Method 2. Follow Nintendo's official support. The next thing you can do is follow Nintendo's official support page at this link and check for any server outage related information. If you find the server is busy, then you can wait for some time and then try again later to check. Method 3. Follow Nintendo's official server status X account. You can also check the https://x.com/ninstatusbot (lang = en). This account posts information about maintenance and outages for Nintendo servers. Follow the posts for any server outage related information and check the discussions to resolve the issue. Method 4. Check other server status websites. Sites like Down Detector track user reported issues with Nintendo's servers. These sites can sometimes identify problems before Nintendo officially reports them. So, by following these steps, you can stay informed about any server maintenance or outages that may affect your ability to access Nintendo's online services. And there you have it, the ways to check any related information about Nintendo's server maintenance. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.